All right, so our last workshop, communication. We started with something very simple, but this will never go away in West Coast Swing, just this idea of opening up in a push break. And leaders showing better signals of that, not stepping back for 1, 2, and then sneaking in the opening on 3, but actually stepping side on 2, presenting the 3. Followers pay attention to the shoulders and the rotation. This could be done 2 ways. We did it with a hitch rhythm on both sides, 5 and 6. I could keep the hand and it becomes a barrel turn, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We found each other very late in followers. If you felt like you hadn't squared up yet, say you were there on 6, you had the option of gathering 1 and 2 and almost creating that delayed rhythm. Just do that once without stopping.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 1 and 2. That's really fun.
Okay, so next we did a whip with a delayed outside turn, and leaders, I had that connection underneath for a reason.
5, 6,
so I'm giving her an open-ended moment,
8, and boom, hop.
but with connection, rather than an open-ended moment that feels a little uninspired. Okay, so again, leaders, I'll do this from the backside. You're connecting underneath as you reach. Because she settles away, I settle away.
8, and click, and hit, step, fit, out.
And for me, I'm always thinking, as my follower's playing still, when do we step in? So I step in with her, so we find ourselves anchoring together. Followers, your flick timing. Do you want to do that really quick?
Yeah, I can be here. I'm going to go from 8. I'm leading up on 8, and downbeat and upbeat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Here, and then come out for 7, 8.
Now remember, he's leading an inside turn, so he initiates the start of a turn. It's your decision to hold back.
2.
All right, so it's your decision to hold your torso, and then you flip the upper body.
Cool.
All right, that was it. Thank you, guys.